Imagine the sky stretching endlessly, full of God's love. I'm here, your guardian angel, carrying a message just for you. It's a gentle warning, like a beacon in the night, showing that someone near you might not be treating you as you deserve. I'm here to help you see through the fog of confusion. Think of the vastness of space, where every star is known by God, and every step of your journey is watched over with love. I hover close, protecting you from harm, and my voice, warm and strong, calls your name with genuine care. This isn't just a whisper, it's a powerful reminder that you are cherished, protected, and guided. Don't think of my words as a call to fear, think of them as an awakening, like a gentle breeze urging a flower to bloom. It's time to be aware and use the wisdom within you like a strong knight holding a sword. I speak for God in many ways, guiding you with signals that mean something important. Be careful in your relationships, like a traveler on a tricky path. I'm here to help you see through the masks people wear, to question what lies beneath the surface. This message is not a quiet hint but a strong call to action, like a lion's roar across the plains. Listen closely to this guidance, let it be your compass through the ups and downs of life. Stay watchful, as I stand guard with you, and pay attention to those around you. The words I share are not a passing thought but a guiding light in dark times. Trust your instincts, and when unsure, seek God's guidance through prayer and reflection. Remember, in the vast universe that God holds in perfect care, you are watched over with deep, infinite love. As you go about your days, hold this message close. Let it guide your decisions and how you care for others. When you stay connected to God's wisdom, you'll face life with confidence and peace. This message I bring is meant to illuminate your way with love and truth. God's guidance is like a map showing you the path through life's challenges. You're never alone, I'm here, your divine companion, lighting your way and encouraging you to stand strong. When someone's actions let you down, it's okay to feel hurt, but don't let that pull you under. Notice the signs that wave like red flags and plan how to protect your peace. Talking to God is your anchor, and I'm here to remind you that He listens to every word you share, giving you wisdom to move forward. Lean on Him, He's a shield around you, keeping you safe. God's presence is always near, and I'm here to assure you that He has a plan, even when times are tough. Once you've understood the warning, start looking at the clues around you. Be like a watchful detective, seeing how actions match words, whether they shine like a bright light or flicker like a weak flame. Don't just observe, think about your next steps, like planning your moves in a game of chess. Maybe it's time for an honest conversation or a pause to reflect on what you need most. It's perfectly okay to draw boundaries, like building a strong wall to protect your heart. Besides turning to God, let friends and family lift you up. They're the sunlight in your cloudy days. They're the strong branches of your tree, offering you comfort and wisdom. Even when the path seems hard, remember it's a chance to grow your wings. Every obstacle is a lesson, every setback an opportunity. Lean on those who love you. Their care is an anchor, helping you sail through rough waters until you find calm again. With God's light guiding you and the support of loved ones, you'll find strength and grace. Believe in yourself and in the path God has set for you. Through prayer, reflection, and action, you'll find the way forward. Every challenge is a way to deepen your faith and trust in God. I'm here beside you, as a constant presence, reminding you that you're never alone. See this moment as a journey of healing and growth. God's love for you doesn't waver. He is calling out, reminding you that you are valuable and protected. Imagine God as your greatest cheerleader, knowing your courage and celebrating it. With this message, I urge you to stay close to those you trust. Your friends and family are like strong trees, holding you up when the winds blow hard. They are your team when life gets tough. Holding onto your faith is like holding onto a lifeline. Trust in God's plan, and let Him be your guide through the maze of life. Whenever you feel like you're falling, picture God's arms ready to catch you, strong and sure. I am here, whispering encouragement and reminding you to reach out when you need help. Keep your senses open and your heart turned to God. He may send more signs and help you see the next step. Let each piece of His guidance sink in deeply, bringing you closer to healing and peace. When God calls your name, know it's more than just a greeting, it's a reminder of how precious you are. Imagine yourself standing tall, armed with the courage God has placed within you. Feel peace wrapping around you, calming your mind and mending your heart. Know that God's love is your shield, always there, protecting you. Think of my words as a hug from the sky, God whispering, I've got you. Lean on your friends and family, your pillars of support. Together, with God's strength, we form a barrier against any deceit. Though this path may be hard, it's also a moment to grow your faith and resolve. Learn, trust, and keep your head up. God's light shines to lead you towards hope and security, and I'm here, your angel, walking this path with you.